I made a little mention about I was considering joining the USACC build again. To be honest, I'm not really excited about this kit. I even called it a turd. I still think it's a turd. I mean, this is somewhat of a hot mess of a kit. Just look at it. It's Barney purple, with flames. Look at the rear wheel. Even the box art builder couldn't get that on straight. Do I even need to mention the weird Mopar torsion bar front suspension combined with some type of independent rear suspension? And what is part 12? Is that a Lego? That pales in comparison to it simply being 24th scale. So why all this hate on 24th scale? The main reason being most of the parts I would want to fix this mess with are in the much more common 25th scale. I mean, there are hundreds of cool 25th scale kits to perhaps dozens of 24th scale kits. But I get it. In my younger years, I grew up building these 24 scale monograms. They were molded in color, so you didn't really have to paint them. And they assemble fairly easy, sometimes, but most had some type of problem with scale fidelity, with many looking just close enough. Such was the case with last year's USACC subject matter. That Roadrunner has some areas with some funky proportions and some seriously simplified assemblies. I would have never really considered building it. But guess what? I had a blast giving it even funkier proportions. So over the past couple of weeks, I've been chewing on some ideas about how I could possibly unturd this thing. And I think I've come up with a plan. So let's head to the bench and get started. So here's what we got. I have a cab. We have the front piece. That's not how that works. Stay in there. I think I need more glue. Boop. That's good. We might use this piece. I hadn't decided. There goes there. This is typical not fitting. And I might use these. We shall see. The rest of it will go in the burn pile. In the last video, I mentioned there would probably be some power tools involved. So my favorite power tool is, of course, the mighty Dremel with a death wheel. So should we get the party started? Off with its head. I think I can. It's fighting. Almost. I feel better. This goes to the burn pile. That's much better. For the next part of this, I'll be using my next favorite tool, the Hypercut Ninja Saw, and the Tamiya panel line scriber. Let more surgery commence. this because I need a little bit of precision. I think I want to save part of this fender. It might become something else. So that's why I'm kind of doing this somewhat nice. I need to be careful or there's going to be an injury. My fourth favorite cutting tool. I'm just gonna snip or any rest of this. I want you. It is being difficult. Just chomp. I say chomp. Ah. Oh, there we go. All right. Do you wind up in the burn pile? We will see. Ah. This is starting to be more like what I think. So I say thank you to the cutting, and I think we're gonna have to do something about this, maybe something about this, maybe something about this, and this. We're not done cutting on this one yet. If you haven't figured it out, we're gonna go full tilt TimKustom on this one, and we're just getting started. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. You all know what to do, because I have all kinds of model car stories to tell. Thanks for watching.